Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, constructions. So exercise 11.1, direct one question we'll see. So second question it is, construct a triangle of sides 4, 5, 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Okay. See, first we know from the right from 7th class we are learning how to construct a triangle with the given 3 sides. So let us see how to do that. See, parallelly here we need to write the steps as well as we are going to draw the figure. So let me write the steps of construction first. So the step 1 is construct take BC is equals to 6 centimeters and AB is 4 and AC is 5 centimeters. So we are taking, so it's our wish. Why? Because I am taking the highest number as my base. So let us suppose this is the rough figure BCA. So here it is 6, AB is 4 and AC is 5. So we know how to draw the triangle. Take BC as base and draw 6 centimeters. With B as center and radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc. With C as center and 5 centimeter as radius, cut the above arc. Cut the above arc. Third point, name the meeting point as C. Name the meeting point wherever that two arcs are meeting, name that meeting point as A, not C, A. Now, required triangle ABC is formed. Required triangle ABC is formed. ABC is formed. Okay. So this is the basic constructions what we have learned in the lower classes. Now the question is, then construct a triangle similar to it. So we are going to construct the similar triangle whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So whenever he will give only two ratios, whether it may be proper fraction or improper fraction. Now as we know that this is a proper fraction, in these two numbers, which is the big number? 3. So we are going to divide the line into 3 equal parts. Why? Because the highest number is here, it is 3. Now the next step is that step 4, draw BX ray with an acute angle. So any acute angle we can take and we can draw a BX ray. So step 5, divide the ray BX into 3 equal parts. Why? Because highest number is 3. So we need to divide it into 3 equal parts. How? Means B1 is equals to B1, B2 is equals to B2, B3. So 3 equal parts we need to divide. 6th one. Okay. So make a note of these steps. Okay. 6th step is join. Okay. till here we will draw the picture and then afterwards I will clearly explain you in the figure. So this is a rough figure. Now let us draw the original figure. As I have said that firstly we need to draw a BC. We are going to draw with a scale 6 centimeters. So we are going to use the compass, and from this taking B as center we are going to draw 4 centimeter arc. From C we are going to cut the arc which is 5 centimeter. The meeting point is A. Now join by scale AB and AC. So this is what the required triangle ABC. Now what I have said here is draw BX ray. So from here it is an acute angle I am taking. It is a BX ray. So this BX ray I have to divide into 3 equal parts. So this is B1, B2 and B3. So from B1, whatever the distance is there, B1, B2 should be same distance, B2, B3 should be same distance. It means if it is 1 centimeter, all should be 1 centimeter only. Now, afterwards, since here the question is 2 by 3, it is a proper fraction. So whenever it is a proper fraction, make sure that we need to join that bigger number first. So join CB3. First of all, with the help of a scale, just join CB3. Join CB3. Now, seventh point is that draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line from B2 which is parallel to CB3. Now see here, I am going to draw a parallel line. Okay, let me draw properly. Okay. So this I am mentioning it as C dash, CB3, which is, so the name is C dash B2. So these two should look, you have to draw a parallel line in such a way that it should be parallel to CB3. Now, draw another parallel line from C1, from C dash, which is parallel to AC. So I am drawing a parallel line. So this will be parallel to AC, which is A dash C dash. So this is A dash. So here it will be B dash. Ninth one, therefore triangle A dash, B dash, C dash is formed. Here we can see that triangle A dash, B dash, C dash is formed. Hence, required construction is done. Now, if you observe here, make sure that two things. If 2 by 3, it is a proper fraction. In proper fraction, make sure that the A dash, B dash, C dash triangle will come inside. And in the improper fraction, next question what we are going to discuss, it will be in the outside of the given triangle what we have done construction. Okay, let us discuss another question. So this is of the proper fraction. Okay, let us take another improper fraction question. In the same exercise 11.1, let us take the third question. So exercise 11.1, third question. So construct a triangle ABC of sides 5, 6, 7, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then construct a triangle similar to triangle of corresponding sides are 7 by 5 of triangle. Okay. So here we need to concentrate on the, it is improper fraction and the given the three similar sides are there. So let us start doing the word solution first. Let me write the steps. So we can write all the steps at once and thereafter we can do the construction. So steps of construction. Okay. So draw a line. First step is that give BC is equals to 7, AB is equals to 5 and AC is equals to 6 centimeter. Take BC as base and draw 7 centimeter. Next with B as center and radius 5 centimeter. Draw an arc and with C as center and radius with C as center and radius 6 centimeter. Cut the above arc. Cut the above arc. Next, third step. Name the meeting point as A. Name the meeting point as A. So whatever that meeting point joining it is A. So the required triangle ABC is formed. Triangle ABC is formed. So same fourth step. Draw BX ray with acute angle. So we have to draw a BX ray with an acute angle. So step 5. So here we need to draw a BX ray with an acute angle. Divide BX ray into 7 equal parts. So totally we need to divide that BX ray into 7 equal parts. Like B1, B1, B2, B2, B3, B3, B4, B5, B6, B6 and B7. Now join. Okay, we will understand by this step 6 from the figure. So as I have said that we need to draw first constructing of triangle ABC. So I'll draw here. So first in the base I am going to draw BC which is of 7 centimeter and from B as center A which is 5 centimeter and here it is 6 centimeter. So the required construction of a triangle ABC is over. So we are going to draw an acute angle which is X BX ray. So here I am going to divide it into 7 equal parts B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now the question is we need to join, since the fraction is 7 by 5 which is improper fraction, we need to join the lowest value. What is the lowest value here? 5. So I need to join CB5. CB5. So join CB5. Seventh point is that draw a parallel line from B7 which is parallel to CB5. So we need to draw a parallel line from B7. So if I want to draw a parallel line, means definitely I need to extend this line. So I am extending this line. Now I can draw a parallel line in this way. So this is called as C dash B7, which is C dash B7. So this is the parallel line. Next, similarly draw a parallel line from C dash to AC, which is parallel to AC. So I need to draw a parallel line from C dash which is parallel to AC. For that case also I need to extend this line. So this is the parallel line A dash, which is A dash C dash. The ninth point is that the triangle A dash B dash C dash is completed. Not completed, we can write constructed. The required triangle A dash B dash C dash is constructed. So we need to remember two things, that whenever it is improper fraction, that A dash B dash C dash will come outside of the triangle, and whenever it is a proper fraction it will come inside of the triangle.